TheIrishHux.
Alright, so we're out here with Leroy. In case you're not familiar with the build, I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough, and we have made a change. So we got two XP 3000s, ran on a MechMan 250. We have a Wolfram 4500. We are now running half ohm. We have two Skar 150.4s that are yet to be hooked up. Once the doors are fiberglass, those will be done, but let's take a quick peek and see what's different. So if you follow the build progress previously, we had two Massive Audio Hippo XL 12s. Turn the lights on. So now we have two DC XL 12s, a much beefier woofer. Change it, there we go. Got the LEDs in there, clean up his wiring a little bit. That ended up not being hidden as well as I thought it was gonna be, but everything's about as good as it can get. See this thing real quick. Little LEDs. So, turn the speed down some. It's a color chasing one. Alright. What do you think? You want to turn it up? Let's see what it sounds like.
Okay.
Let's do it. Restart it. It's towards the end. RPMs, you up a little high.
Yeah, I put them up how it was.
I got you. See what all's on this zip.
It's just a mixtape, No metaphors, that's what your favorite rappers for.
Yeah, it's doing good. I don't like that one. See what 30 sounds like.
Holla at me when you see me, and I only think they hate, cause these niggas wanna be me. It's hard to match the flows, I make this shit look easy, while I'm always in some beat, like that nigga Young Jeezy. I'm a saint.
Oh yeah, she's getting down, man. She's definitely over a 50.
Put it on that Haley.
Which one?
That one you played that day when we first.
Oh, I don't know if it's on this drive or not. Should be right.
Andy makes something. Subscribe, motherfuckers. The Irish Hux.